Hey guys, welcome to today's video. In this video, we will learn about main engine, MA and BMW engines nomenclature. Here we have taken example of 6S, 70, ME, VOC, 7.1, GI, T2. Here 6 indicates number of cylinder. S indicates stroke to bore ratio. 70 is piston diameter, which is in centimeter, and M is the engine program, and B or C, this engine concept. Whereas B is cam controlled, E is electronically controlled. This is what MEB, MAC. This cam controls the exhaust valve operation. Here comes the 7.1 part. Here the prefix 7 means the Mach number. This we will discuss little later. And 1 indicates the version number. GI indicates the injection concept. Fuel oil injection or gas injection. In newer engines we have got gas admission also. The difference between the fuel injection and gas injection and gas admission, we'll see in the later videos. And here T2 indicates the IMO tier level. Okay, let's talk about the Mach number. Mach 6, which indicates engine rating in relation to MEP or Pmax. Here Mach 6 means mean effective pressure of 18 bar, 18.2 bar and 18.4 bar. Mach 7 indicates 19 bar, 19.2 bar. These pressure values are in bar. And Mach 8 means 20 bar. Mach 9 means 21 bar. That's all about the nomenclature of the MAN engine. We'll discuss about further in the upcoming videos. Thank you guys.